Hi, it's Mackenzie, and this week we're taking you to places in our hometown. I'm from Buffalo, New York, so I'm taking you to a place called Fantasy Island, or Martin's Fantasy Island, technically. It's an amusement park in a place called Grand Island, which is close to Buffalo, and I'm recording over my voice because the sound doesn't sound very good because I'm outside. So my really awesome idea to film outside didn't really work very well. So yeah, but I hope you enjoy this video and keep watching to see Fantasy Island. So first I'm showing you the Ferris wheel. The line is always extremely short because hardly anyone goes on it some reason. But the cool thing about Buffalo is it's really close to Canada. So when you're on the Ferris wheel, you can have a nice view of Canada. See, I waved at Maria a few times because she lives in Canada, but you can actually see the mist from Niagara Falls. That cloud, that's falls. Here we have a log ride that you can see you get wet. I didn't go on it this Sunday when I went because it was kind of too cold for that and I didn't really want to get wet. But yeah, you can see the log with the people in it, and they're gonna go up the hill and down, and then they get wet. Look at them go. See, look. They're going, they're going, they're going, they're going. It's really slow actually. It like feels so slow when you're on it. And it's going up and 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 up. Just wait for it. It's coming soon. Just wait. Just wait for it. Anytime now. Anytime now. Alright, here it goes. Whee! So yes, that is the log ride. These are the swings. I believe they're about 150 feet tall. They're really tall, and you can also see Canada from there. So again, I waved to Maria because that's the appropriate thing to do when you're looking at Canada. And these are really fun, except for it was windy, so like it goes in your nose and your ears and you can't hear anything. My sister was talking to me the whole time and I had no idea what she was saying, but I just pretended that I knew, and it looks really cool actually. But yeah, it's like a fun little ride. It's actually a pretty new one to Fantasy Island. It didn't exist when I was younger. This is the Crazy Mouse. This was my shit when I was younger. It was like the coolest thing. And like now I went on it on Sunday and it wasn't as cool as it used to be. It's kind of slow honestly, but you know, that's okay. It's still really fun to ride around in mice. The line is so long all the time, but that's okay. I mean, it's worth it. It's like definitely worth riding on. It's just not as awesome as I used to think it was, but you know, the mice are all different colors. Like that one's purple and you saw an orange one earlier. There's like a couple others, but it's really fun. Now watch, this is gonna go down the hill. Whee! So yeah, that's fun. This is the Tilt-A-Whirl. It's always been a favorite of mine. It's a pretty common ride at amusement parks and carnivals and stuff, but it's always fun. I used to always try to like project what car that I would go in, or like I would watch and whatever one was the spinniest one, I'd be like, I want that one, and then I'd get in and it wouldn't be as spinny as like when I watched people in it. I don't actually remember what this ride is called, but it's kind of fun. It does exactly what it looks like it does. And I recorded this when I was on the Ferris wheel. That's where the camera looks weird and shaky. It's not like shaky, but like, you know, you see that bar go around like that. It's because I was on the Ferris wheel. This is the Silver Comet. It's the only roller coaster at Fantasy Island. I'm sorry I didn't get a lot of footage, so you're going to see this clip playing over and over, but it's fun. It's extremely bumpy. It's a wooden roller coaster, so what do you expect? But, you know, it's still fun. It's actually bigger than this, too, but I only got this one little clip. It's huge. But my phone fell out of my pocket when I was on it, which devastated me. I lost my pictures, my contacts, everything, and it really sucks. So this is not my best friend anymore. So yeah, there's actually a lot of other rides at Fantasy Island, but I didn't get footage of any of those other ones because I was mostly just worried about my cell phone being lost. So, but I mean, I hope it was informational. If you go to Fantasy Island, please don't bring your phone on the Silver Comet. Leave it in the cubby or something. But yeah, I hope you really like this. I think I said that, but comment, like, share, do all that stuff that we like, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos this week, and I hope you keep watching, and I'll see you next Wednesday. So, bye!